KT D12 power sensor has 12 signal output, power response speed, good accuracy, strong water resistance, high reliability, easy to install and remove. The sensor has two models, which can be installed on the left side and on the right side. Install the KT D12L power sensor. Without removing the crank, the sensor can be directly installed on the electric bicycle bottom bracket. To install the magnetic steel disc, it is necessary to break apart the two magnetic steel discs, and then insert them on the bottom bracket, and fix them with a snap ring. Fix the sensor with a cable tie. The cross mark on the sensor should be aligned with the 12 signal point. Connect the controller to ensure the power assist is working properly.